Welcome student in 6th session from your textbook chapter number 2 is matter around is pure. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about the solute and solvent. These are the two component of solutions and we studied the solution and their properties and types of solutions. So today we are going to discuss about the suspension. Okay, so we have just studied that the substances which are soluble in water form solution. Okay, but those substances which are insoluble in water form the suspension. These are the opposite things. So a suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the small particle of a solid are spread throughout a liquid without dissolving in it. Means लिक्विड में जो सॉलिड पार्टिकल जो डिजोल्व होता है वो पूरे इसमें स्प्रेड होता है थ्रू आउट अ लिक्विड विदाउट डिजोल्विंग इन इट, मतलब पूरी तरीके से वो डिजोल्व नहीं होता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल चॉक वाटर मिक्सचर, मडी वाटर एंड फ्लोरिन वाटर. सो इन दैट chalk water mixture is a suspension of fine chalk particle in water. Okay, muddy water is a suspension of soil particle in water. So like this. So solid particles and water remain separate in a suspension. Okay, remember that solid particle and water remain separate in a suspension. So the particle do not dissolve in water. We will now study the properties of solution. Okay, so remember this thing, particles do not dissolve in water, form the suspension. So here is some properties of suspension are there. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture, means from name only heterogeneous अंदर आपने लिखा था कि solution are homogeneous, means looks like uniform, एक जैसा दिखता है. But in that heterogeneous we can easily see the solid particles of that. ओके, इन लिक्विड में, तो आप लिक्विड में सॉलिड पार्टिकल को देख सकते हो. सो साइज ऑफ सॉलिड पार्टिकल इन ए सस्पेंशन इज क्वाइट लार्ज एज कंपेयर टू द सॉल्यूशंस. क्लियर दिस वन, मतलब ये इनके पार्टिकल जो साइज के लार्ज रहते हैं, दैट वी कैन सी इजीली. नेक्स्ट, पार्टिकल्स ऑफ सस्पेंशन कैन बी सीन इजीली एंड पार्टिकल्स कैन नॉट पास थ्रू फिल्टर पेपर बिकॉज इट इज अ greater size. Okay, quite large in size, so that's why it cannot filter with the filter paper. So particles cannot pass through filter paper separated by filtration. Next, colloids. Okay, so a colloid is a kind of solution in which the size of solid particle is intermediate, okay, between those in true solution and those in suspension. It means जो कोलाइड में जो सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल होते हैं, जो डिजोल्व होते हैं, वो मतलब उनकी जो साइज है ट्रू सॉल्यूशन से थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती है. ओके, और जो सस्पेंशन है उससे कम होती है. क्लियर दिस वन, दीज आर द मीन्स इंटरमीडिएट साइज ऑफ दैट पार्टिकल्स इन बिटवीन ट्रू सॉल्यूशन एंड दोज इन सस्पेंशन. क्लियर. सो the size of solid particles in a colloid is bigger than that of true solution but is smaller than those of a suspension. So though that colloids appears to be homogeneous to us but actually they are found to be heterogeneous, means वो लगता है कि वो कैसा है, homogeneous, but they are actually what, heterogeneous. Clear. So here is some that example soap solutions, okay, and blood, ink and milk. These are the example of colloids. Now properties of a colloid: appears to be homogeneous but actually it is heterogeneous. मतलब वो लगता है कि आपको कैसा है, homogeneous है, but it is actually what, heterogeneous. Clear this one. Now next, there is a particle size is bigger than true solution and smaller than the suspension. Okay, and most of colloid particles cannot be seen with the help of microscope. मतलब आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो colloid particles है आप उसको माइक्रोस्कोप से भी नहीं देख सकते हो. क्लियर. नाउ अ colloid cannot be separated by filtration, तब ये filtration पेपर से सेपरेट नहीं होता है. क्लियर दिस वन. नाउ नेक्स्ट, एंड नेक्स्ट, colloids are quite stable. ओके, ये कैसा रहता है, स्टेबल रहता है. क्लियर. एंड there is a collide scatter a beam of light passing through it. It means that a scattering of light by colloidal particle is known as a Tyndall effect. The scattering of light by colloidal solution tells us that the colloid particles are much bigger than the particles of the true solution, and hence colloid solution are not true solution. So a true solution can be distinguished from a colloidal solution by the fact that a true solution does not scatter a beam of light passing through it, but a colloidal solution scatter a beam of light passing through it and render it path visible. Means अगर आप एक colloid solution लेते हो और एक true solution लेते हो, तो आपको जब उसमें से अपन टॉर्च में से लाइट को जब पास करते तो आपको पाथ विजिबल किस में होगा? कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन में. ओके. और बीम ऑफ लाइट नॉट विजिबल इनसाइड ए ट्रू सॉल्यूशन. ओके, मतलब उसमें ट्रू सॉल्यूशन में पाथ विजिबल नहीं होता है, बट जो कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन उसमें पाथ विजिबल होता है. इट मीन्स देयर इज अ Tyndall effect आर देयर. So in other words, a true solution does not show the Tyndall effect, but a colloidal solution shows a Tyndall effect. Clear this one? Now, next is that classification of colloids. Colloids are classified according to the physical state of dispersed phase. Dispersed phase उसे कहते हैं जो solid mean those has a capacity. Okay, मतलब जो dissolve होता है तो उसे कहते हैं dispersed phase. And the dispersion medium means solvent. Those has a capacity to dissolve the things in it. मतलब जो अपने अंदर चीजों को डिसोल्व कर सकता है उसे कहते हैं solvent. तो according to the physical state of dispersed phase means solute and the dispersion medium solvent. इसके according colloidals are classified. So look at here. There is a technical name of colloid. And dispersed phase means that solute, dispersion medium means that solvent, and here is the example of that solution means colloidal solution. Clear? So first one is sol. Okay. So all these are the technical names of the groups of colloidal: sol, solid sol, aerosol, emulsion, foam, solid foam, gel. Okay. So we will now describe all these colloids in brief. First one is sol. Sol is a colloid in which teeny solid particles are dispersed in liquid medium. So the example of sol are ink, soap solution and paints. Clear this one? Second, solid sol. Solid sol is a colloidal in which solid particles are dispersed in a solid medium. The example of some alloy. Okay. And there is it colored gemstones like ruby. Now third, aerosol. An aerosol is a colloid in which a solid or liquid, okay, solid or liquid is dispersed in gas including air. मतलब ये air में भी include हो सकते हैं. Okay, dispersed in gas. The example of aerosol in which a solid is dispersed in gas are smoke. तो smoke में क्या हो गया? That is which is shoot in air and automobile exhaust. Okay, the example of aerosol in which liquid is dispersed in gas: hair spray, fog, mist and clouds. These are the example of liquid dispersed in gas. Now next, fourth one is emulsion. An emulsion is a colloid in which minute droplet of one liquid are dispersed in another liquid. One liquid dispersed on another liquid which is not miscible with it. Example of emulsion are milk, butter, face cream, etc. Now foam. So the foam is a colloidal in which a gas is dispersed in a liquid medium. Gas is dispersed in liquid medium. The example of foam are fire extinguishers, foam, soap bubbles and shaving creams. Clear this one? Now sixth one, solid foam. The solid foam is a colloid in which a gas is dispersed in solid medium. Gas is dispersed in solid medium. Okay, the example of that solid foam are insulating foam and foam rubber. Insulating foam, foam rubber, sponge and bread. These are the example of solid foam. सेवेंथ वन इज जेल. द जेल इज ए सेमी सॉलिड कोलाइड. ये कैसा रहता है? सेमी सॉलिड इन कोलाइड, इन विच देयर इज ए कंटिन्यूअस नेटवर्क ऑफ सॉलिड पार्टिकल. इसमें कंटिन्यूअस नेटवर्क होता है सॉलिड पार्टिकल का. डिस्पर्स इन लिक्विड. द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ जेल आर जेलीज, gelatin and hair gel. Clear this one? Thank you.